Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on city life. City life is busy and full of people. There are tall buildings and lots of traffic in the city. Cities have many shops, restaurants, and places to visit. People in cities have access to good schools and hospitals. Public transportation is available in cities for easy travel. Cities are diverse and have people from different cultures and backgrounds. City life can be exciting with many events and activities happening. City dwellers have more job opportunities and career options. City life can be noisy and crowded, but it's never boring. Living in a city means being part of a vibrant and dynamic community. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.